So the next one is trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation. So first, what is the equation? That is the first expression. Nothing but ax square plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic expression. It is quadratic expression. Equation is nothing but, that is equation nothing but ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If we have equal to 0, it is a equation, quadratic equation. So we need to find the roots. So here, and trigonometric equation, trigonometric equation, trigonometric equation, and this is nothing but equation involving, that is equation involving trigonometric functions, trigonometric functions. So like, that is, example is either sin x, cos x, tan x, and so on. So for example, two cos square x plus 4 cos x plus 5 equal to 0. 5 sin square x plus 2 sin square x sin x plus 5 equal to 0, or 4 tan x plus 3 equal to 0. That is, in equation trigonometric functions are involved. It is called the trigonometric equation. And we know that how to find the roots of the quadratic equation. That is, roots of quadratic equation. That is, if we have that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have two methods. First one is a factorization method. Factorization method. That is, we do that coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square into constant. That is, coefficient of x square is equal to a and constant equal to c. We find that factors, find factors k1 and k2, such that if we do that, k1 plus k2 we get b, and k1 into k2 we get ac. Or we have another formula, that is a formula. What is that? X equal to minus b plus or minus, that is method 2, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So one root is plus and the root is minus. So we have the two roots. If the degree is 2, we get that two roots. We get two roots. Okay. In this one, in the trigonometric function, in trigonometric equation, we have principal value and general solution. So what is the principal value first? That is principal value. Suppose sin theta equal to some 1 by root 2. If we have a sin theta equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is in sin is sin 45, that is sin pi by 4. Therefore, the principal value equal to, that is the principal value denoted by alpha equal to the value equal to pi by 4. The value equal to pi by 4. And next one, cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 in cos, that is nothing but a cos 30 degree, that is cos pi by 6. The principal value equal to pi by 6. And next, tan theta equal to some 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, root 3. That is tan in root 3 is tan 60 degree, 60 nothing but a pi by 3. Therefore, the principal value equal to pi by 3. So this is a pressure. So principal value ante ee value 1 by root 2 అనేది sin లో ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది, root 3 by 2 అనేది cos లో ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది, ఆ వాల్యూ రాసుకుంటాం. దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే ప్రిన్సిపల్ వాల్యూ అంటాం. అంటే we have one solution. General solution nothing but general solution is nothing but we have more number of solutions, that is a more number of solutions. ఏంటివి ఆ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ అంటే sin theta, if we have a sin theta, then it can be written as theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Alpha is a principal value. Cos theta equal to, that is theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Next, tan theta equal to, theta ఇక్కడ theta ఉంది కాబట్టి theta రాస్తాం, that is theta equal to n pi plus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is nothing but a principal value. So what is the difference between a principal value and general solution? Principal value అంటే ఒక solution అని అర్థం, general solution అంటే more number of solutions అని అర్థం వస్తుంది. So in this one we have the methods are, the first one is model 1. What is the form? The form is ax square plus bx plus c. ఈ మోడల్లో ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్సే ఉండాలి, ఇది మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్సే ఉండాలి. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఫస్ట్ వన్, సాల్వ్ 2 sin square theta plus sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. సో ఫస్ట్ ఈజీ ప్రాబ్లం తీసుకుంటాం. ఈడ సైన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈడ సైనే ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని మనం చెక్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎక్స్. సో కంపేర్ ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the a value? A value 2, b value 1, c value minus 1. So we have to apply the factorization method. That is factorization method. That is what we do. We do that a into c. That is nothing but a 2 into minus 1, nothing but minus 2. We find the factors for 2, 1 and 2. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే యాడ్ చేసి ఎంత రావాలి అంటే we do that if you do it is a plus and it is a minus. So we get that 2 sin square theta, and sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta minus sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. సో దీంట్లో ఎంత కామన్ తీయచ్చు మనము? sin theta, 2 sin theta కామన్ తీస్తే మనకేమొస్తుంది అంటే sin theta plus 1. సో దీంట్లో ఎంత కామన్ తీయచ్చు? minus 1 sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఉండేది ఏముంది మనకు? sin theta plus 1 into 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. That is, if AB equal to 0, then either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. That is the first one, case 1. That is, what is the case 1? Case 1 is sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. Then sin theta equal to minus 1. Sin అనేది మనకు మైనస్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది? sin అనేది మనకు మైనస్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ theta equal to minus pi by 2. So minus 1, sin of minus 1, sin of minus theta is nothing but a minus. This is minus sin 90. Sin of minus theta, nothing but a minus sin theta. Therefore, this value, the principal value equal to alpha equal to minus pi by 2. So this is nothing but a sin of minus pi by 2. సో 180 లోంచి పై బై 2 తీస్తే పై బై 2 వస్తుంది మనకు. దట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు పై బై 2. జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈక్వల్ టు So what is the general solution? The general solution equal to, if we have a sin theta, then it can be written as sin theta, that is a principal value, that is alpha equal to minus pi by 2. Then we have theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha, that is theta equal to n pi minus of minus 1 whole power n into alpha value, that is pi by 2. So plus into minus ఏమవుతుందంటే minus. So it is the one solution. It is a one solution. Next, case 2. So what is the case 2? 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Case 2 is two sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. So from that 2 sin theta equal to 1, sin theta equal to 1 by 2. So ఎప్పుడు మనకు అవుతుంది 1 అంటే sin 30 sin pi by 6. So therefore the principal value equal to pi by 6. Therefore the general solution equal to that is theta equal to ఉండే ఫంక్షన్ సైన్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం ఏం రాస్తాం n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Therefore theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Just we substitute the value of alpha. What is that alpha? Alpha equal to pi by 6. Therefore this is another solution. Therefore the two solutions are first one is theta equal to n pi minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. Another one is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6. ఇవి రెండు సొల్యూషన్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ the next question is 2 sin square theta ఇంకొకటి రాస్తాము. టూ cos square theta solve two cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏముందంటే రెండు సేమ్గా ఉండాలి. దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ వన్, ఎక్స్ సేమ్గా ఉండాలి. కంపేర్ ఏఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బిఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి equal to 0, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 1. We need to find the roots. Using factorization method. That is a into c, 2 into 1 equal to 2. What are the factors for 2? 1 and 2. If we do that addition, we get minus 3. So we get minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and a minus into minus plus. What is the condition? If you do, this is a k1 and k2, a k1 plus k2 that becomes 2b and k1 into k2 that becomes 2ac. Okay, we have written as 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta can be written as minus 2 cos theta minus cos theta equal 1 equal to 0. సో దీంట్లో నుంచి మనం ఏం కామన్ cos 2 cos theta as a common, we get that cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, and minus will be taken as a common, we get that cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So we get that cos theta minus 1 into 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So we have that if AB equal to 0, then A to 0, A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. First case 1, that is case 1, if cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is nothing but cos theta equal to 1 ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది మన కాస్లో cos 90, cos 0 degree, cos 0 the value equal to 1, so therefore the principal value equal to, that is alpha equal to 0 degree, alpha equal to 0 degree. So general solution is what is the formula? Theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. This is the formula. So just we substitute the value, theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus 0. So from that the value equal to 2n pi, the value equal to 2n pi. This is a case 1. And next case 2, next case 2 is that is case 2, two cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. From that 2 cos theta equal to 1, cos theta equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది మనకు కాస్లో? దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ cos 60 అంటే ఎంత రాస్తాం? pi by 3. Therefore the principal value equal to, that is alpha equal to pi by 3, alpha equal to, and the general solution equal to, this is theta equal to, కాస్లో ఉంది, కాస్లో అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏమి? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Therefore theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So therefore what is the value? Value equal to theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus 3. And the solutions are, what are the solutions? First one is theta equal to 2n pi, and second one is theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3.